In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate sales incentives in Excel. We're going to build a simple, reliable commission calculation that takes a salesperson's total sale and multiplies it by your commission rate. This keeps your sheet dynamic, so when numbers change, your incentive updates automatically without any extra work. First, click the blank cell where you want the incentive to appear. Think of this as telling Excel, place the final commission here. Choosing the correct destination prevents you from overwriting existing data and keeps your sheet organized. A cell within a column labeled Incentive or Commission is a great choice. You'll see a blinking cursor in that cell, which means you're ready to enter the formula. Next, type the formula. Start with the equals sign. The equals sign tells Excel you're entering a calculation, not plain text. Now, instead of typing a number, click the cell that holds the sales amount. You'll notice its cell reference appear, like B2, in the formula bar. After that, type the asterisk symbol to multiply. That's Shift+8 on most keyboards. Then, click the cell that contains the commission rate, such as C2. Altogether, your formula should look something like LB2C2, though your letters and numbers will match your own sheet. A quick note on the commission rate. If it's formatted as a percentage, like 5%, Excel will treat it correctly. If it's stored as a decimal like 0.05, that works too. What you want to avoid is having the rate stored as text, which can happen if it was pasted in with extra characters. If the result doesn't make sense, that's a common culprit. Now press Enter. Excel calculates immediately and places the incentive value in the cell you selected at the start. For example, if the sale is $10,000 and the rate is 5%, the result should be $500. If you see something unexpected, double-check that you clicked the correct sales amount and the correct rate cell, and make sure the rate reflects what you intend. 5% is 0.05, not 5. You've just created a calculation that uses cell references, which is powerful because it stays connected to your data. Change the sale or the commission rate, and the incentive updates automatically. This approach reduces errors compared to hard typing numbers into the formula. To keep your sheet understandable, verify that the cell you chose is in the right column and that nearby labels clearly describe the values. Clear labels make it easier for others to trust and reuse your work. That's it. Choose the blank cell, enter equals, select the sales amount, multiply by the commission rate, and press Enter. Your sales incentive is calculated and ready to use.